Are you experiencing leaks from pipes, hydraulic, and pneumatic fittings? These leaks, often due to failure at fittings or threaded connections, can end up costing your facility significant time and money, as shown in these charts. Conventional methods to address leaks often include plumber's tape and pipe dope. However, these solutions aren't as effective as you may think and can cost your facility additional time and money. For example, plumber's tape and pipe dope offer sufficient PSI for pipe pressure. However, neither method creates a tight, uniform seal on the fittings. This inability to properly seal renders equipment susceptible to leaks developed by continual vibration and leaves the pipe threads vulnerable to corrosion. Rather than forming a true seal between pipe threads, plumber's tape acts as a lubricant for torquing down the fitting. While the tape may enable the threads to seat close together, they are still not 100% sealed. Likewise, pipe dope also fails to create a uniform seal. While the solvent-based formulation enables the pipe dope to get in between the threads, the solvent evaporates as it cures. This causes the pipe dope to shrink or crack, creating opportunities for leaks. With both methods, there can also be tiny voids left in between the threads. These can lead to infiltration and leaks, creating unplanned downtime and added costs. Additionally, plumber's tape and pipe dope can cause challenges during application. For instance, plumber's tape requires a certain two-handed technique, and mastering it often only comes with years of experience. If improperly applied, the tape can rip or not seat properly in the threads and is likely to cause leaks. Pipe dope comes in a brush-top can. However, it can often drip and sag during application, creating product waste and additional cleanup time, not to mention the VOCs from solvent evaporation. To address these shortcomings and ensure you're properly protected from leaks, Bostik introduces Born2Bond anaerobic pipe sealants. In addition to offering a 100% uniform seal to reduce issues such as leaks, along with vibration and corrosion, they are easy to apply with a robust viscosity to prevent dripping. In particular, PA77 is our general-purpose pipe sealant for coarse threads like NPT fittings, pipe unions, and elbows. We also offer PA42 for finer threads, such as hydraulic and pneumatic fittings. Both products possess custom viscosity levels for their given thread type to ensure 100% coverage. Additionally, they give 500 psi of instant pressure seal to keep lines running. Once fully cured, they yield 10,000 psi. And compared to other options, these pipe sealants are available in an easy-to-squeeze bottle, further keeping your production efficiencies high. Ready to make the switch to Born2Bond pipe sealant and reduce leaks? Contact a Bostik expert today to get started.